Hi everyone, and welcome to Real Life English Podcast, the place where you can improve your English in a fun, easy, and natural way. Today we're going to do a powerful English shadowing practice together. This session will help you improve your speaking, confidence, and fluency in a natural way. Shadowing is one of the best ways to practice English. First, listen carefully to my voice, then repeat the sentence exactly the same way. Try to copy the pronunciation, stress, and speaking rhythm. This practice trains your listening, speaking, and thinking skills together. You are not only learning English, you are speaking English actively. I will say every sentence 2 times so you can repeat comfortably. Speak loudly, stay focused, and don't stop because of small mistakes. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Now relax, take a slow deep breath, and let's start our English speaking workout together. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I feel excited to practice English today. I feel excited to practice English today. I believe in my improvement every day. I believe in my improvement every day. Every sentence I speak makes me stronger. Every sentence I speak makes me stronger. I speak English with growing confidence. I speak English with growing confidence. Small mistakes help me learn faster. Small mistakes help me learn faster. I focus on learning a little every day. I focus on learning a little every day. Step by step, my English is improving. Step by step, my English is improving. I am becoming more fluent each day. I am becoming more fluent each day. I replace fear with confidence today. I replace fear with confidence today. I start my day ready to improve myself. I start my day ready to improve myself. I wake up feeling motivated and fresh. I wake up feeling motivated and fresh. I begin my morning with positive energy. I begin my morning with positive energy. I get myself ready for a productive day. I get myself ready for a productive day. I smile and feel confident about today. I smile and feel confident about today. I remind myself that I am improving daily. I remind myself that I am improving daily. I make time to practice my English skills. I make time to practice my English skills. I feel thankful for another chance to grow. I feel thankful for another chance to grow. I stay focused on my English goals. I stay focused on my English goals. Little progress every day brings big success. Little progress every day brings big success. Today, I will speak English with confidence. Today, I will speak English with confidence. Today, I am ready to speak more English. I ask for help when something is unclear. I confidently ask people to repeat politely. I confidently ask people to repeat politely. I write down new words to remember them later. I write down new words to remember them later. I use fresh vocabulary in my daily sentences. I use fresh vocabulary in my daily sentences. I appreciate myself for learning English every day. I appreciate myself for learning English every day. Every practice session makes me stronger. Every practice session makes me stronger. I open lessons that improve my speaking skills. I open lessons that improve my speaking skills. I choose content that motivates me to learn. I choose content that motivates me to learn. I listen carefully to every pronunciation and sound. I listen carefully to every pronunciation and sound. I repeat each sentence with clear confidence. I repeat each sentence with clear confidence. I imagine having real conversations in English. I imagine having real conversations in English. I practice speaking with natural rhythm and flow. I practice speaking with natural rhythm and flow. I enjoy learning English wherever I am. I enjoy learning English wherever I am. My phone helps me practice and improve daily. My phone helps me practice and improve daily. Technology makes learning English easier for me. Technology makes learning English easier for me. I feel grateful for the chance to learn English. I feel grateful for the chance to learn English. I enjoy speaking English with people around me. I enjoy speaking English with people around me. I happily begin small conversations in English. I happily begin small conversations in English. I ask others about their day with kindness. I ask others about their day with kindness. I listen carefully and show real interest. I listen carefully and show real interest. I express my ideas and feelings confidently. I express my ideas and feelings confidently. I keep conversations flowing naturally. I keep conversations flowing naturally. I smile, relax, and enjoy speaking English. I smile, relax, and enjoy speaking English. Every conversation helps me sound more natural. Every conversation helps me sound more natural. Real speaking practice builds strong confidence. Real speaking practice builds strong confidence. I enjoy connecting with people through English. I enjoy connecting with people through English. I imagine visiting exciting places around the world. I imagine visiting exciting places around the world. I arrive at the airport feeling calm and confident. I arrive at the airport feeling calm and confident. I communicate clearly in English while traveling. I communicate clearly in English while traveling. I politely speak to airport staff with confidence. I politely speak to airport staff with confidence. I ask questions without feeling nervous. I ask questions without feeling nervous. I thank people politely for their support. I thank people politely for their support. I feel proud when I use English successfully. I feel proud when I use English successfully. I order meals and drinks with confidence. I order meals and drinks with confidence. I politely ask for directions when needed. I politely ask for directions when needed. English helps me explore new experiences. English helps me explore new experiences. I answer phone calls in a calm voice. I answer phone calls in a calm voice. I speak clearly and confidently on calls. I speak clearly and confidently on calls. I listen carefully during every conversation. I listen carefully during every conversation. I politely ask people to repeat when necessary. I politely ask people to repeat when necessary. I speak slowly and naturally on the phone. I speak slowly and naturally on the phone. I join online conversations with growing confidence. I join online conversations with growing confidence. I introduce myself comfortably in English. I introduce myself comfortably in English. I share my opinions without fear or stress. I share my opinions without fear or stress. I stay calm when I need time to think. I stay calm when I need time to think. Every conversation makes me more confident. Every conversation makes me more confident. I understand that mistakes help me improve. I understand that mistakes help me improve. I know English will create new opportunities for me. I know English will create new opportunities for me. I am ready to work hard for my future. I am ready to work hard for my future. Every practice step moves me closer to success. Every practice step moves me closer to success. Amazing job! You have completed this full English shadowing session together with me. Today, you did more than just listen, you actively practiced speaking English. You trained your pronunciation, listening, and confidence at the same time. This kind of speaking practice may feel challenging, but it is one of the best ways to improve real English fluency. Every sentence you repeated today helped your brain and mouth become more comfortable with English. If you feel a little tired, that means you truly practiced hard. The more you continue shadowing, the more natural and confident your English will sound. You can return to this practice anytime you want to improve your speaking skills again. If you completed this full session, write in the comments. I am improving my English every day. I would love to read your comment and support your learning journey. Please like this video, subscribe for more English shadowing practice, and share it with someone who also wants to improve their English speaking. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. You are becoming more fluent every single day. See you in the next English shadowing session.